True one. Rule one. Hold on. Turn over. Tell the right mister. Read Dolly. Philos. Follow up from. Follow up phone. Coming. Handling. Calling. Selling. Take cow. Far away. Six show. Amaze. Take over. Look up. It's open. Make a wish. Kiss out Alice. Leave him alone. Let's sit now. Call the friend. Jump up, pen down. Buy a rest, then blows. Rule 2. Consonant. Vicinity. Gratis. The top five. Shall nine new cars. Sit down. Somebody needs you luck. Somebody needs new luck. Check casting. Let them make condition. Header. Birthday. 2, 3. Brother. Go anyway. So one is. Throughout. Somewhere. You are. Ease. Do wise. I act. Too often. She always. Too often. Rule 4. He and Y. Can't you do it? I let you go. I let you know. Don't you like it? Haven't you? No, not that. D and Y. Did you see it? Who did you tell? How did you like it? Where did you send your check? Where did you send your check? Did you find your case? S and Y. Just show. Let's show. Yes, sure. Bless you. Can you bless you yourself? Can you bless yourself? Let him get your car for you. Let him get your car for you. Yes. And why? How's your family? Who's your friend? When's your mom's? When's your birthday? Thank you.